for optimizer, again, single image can be broken up into different styles. So if you want to deploy it to your loyalty program, you want to deploy it to your app, so on and so forth, can be done single through the application itself. So we saw customers are 40% more likely to convert if they see similar messaging across their application, right? And so the marketers here would know that they use something like this. I'm hoping the marketers are using something like this. This is Campaign Monitor, but you can use Braze. So based on this, if the user receives this email and they click on it, they will see that the same image is shown in the PLB that they clicked on. However, if the user were to navigate this page on their own outside of this email, they would have seen this basic image, right? The way this works is that there's an AI at the back that is in the first place generating the content based on segments, references, and the main content that you have, right? Generates variations for them on the landing page or home page and the listing page. And when the click-through happens and the page is loaded, data is fetched against the information that is passed. And it is sent back to them. So, two examples. So this is my personal blog. This is the non-personalized version. This is the personalized version. You guys can scan the QR code and check it out for yourself. Yeah. And the white one, you would see something like this, which is my basic blog welcome. For those of you who scan the green one, you will see the seamless better. Right? The only thing that I've done is let's say seamless is equal to true. Yeah? And now this entire application or the website has been changed to match the parameter that I have passed. What I've done in the backend is that I'm using content management system, Sanity, where I'm coding in that hey, if it's a normal user, show them this. And if it's a seamless user, then show them this. So, long story short, we have generated content that's being generated through AI and through your own efforts, and you are distributing them through the channels that you have. Right? We also introduced this concept of the content complexity formula, which is a very important metric that you need to keep in mind before you take any decisions around your architecture or how you use Gen AI. Unique content-driven segments into the number of channels that you're exposed on. When I say unique content-driven segments, these are not your marketing segments, but these are segments where you need to have specific type of content exposed, right? And the common values that we found, 2 is the most common, right? Which means there's zero to segmentation at all. Taken the scenario is when you're doing gender-based segmentation, so male and female across 3 channels. That will look at more channel-based optimization of your content, and subsequently, as you start becoming more and more professional with the whole AI and your distribution architecture, you end up with this hyper-personalization. You need to have a content management system, right? So to actually reach this hyper-personalized content management system, that is part of the overall ecosystem, right? So this is the ecosystem that we want to look at, which is your architecture for AI maximization. So AI user is a mix of R inputs and AI inputs. So we train that machine to understand what the differences in score mean, and the results and the suggestions that you get are based on exactly how you're evaluating data analytics and strategy discussions. So please come to our store. If you like what you saw, please scan the QR code.